Alright friends, now let's look at arithmetic operator in Java programming. So what are these? Plus, minus, multiplication, division and modulus. So in Java, arithmetic operators are symbols that let you perform basic math operations. So we use plus operator for addition, so minus operator for subtraction, and then this times operator for multiplication, and I use slash for division, and I use modulus operator for finding remainder. Okay, great. Now let's define two numbers. So I will say integer a equals to, for example, 15. So we use integer in Java to declare an integer, I mean whole number. That's why I assign 15. I cannot assign 15.5 here. Okay. So let's define another variable. I say integer b equals to 7. I can assign like this. After comma b equals 7. I can do that, or I can do that. So I can use one time integer, so I can separate with comma. Okay. So let's start by addition. So I can print it inside the println. I come here, I say system.out.println, and then now I am printing string expression. I say a plus b. That's not a variable because I put inside double quotes, and I say equals, and then right now I am doing concatenation. We will see these. So I am doing right now operation, math operation. So that's why I open my parentheses. So what's my operation? A plus b. So it gives me 22. So let's run it. Let's run it. First we need to compile and run it. You see 22 a plus b equals to 22. A plus b equals, here is a string expression. So I'm combining with plus operator. This plus operator also let me do string concatenation. I mean, this expression is string. This expression is integer, but string plus integer becomes string. So as you see, a plus b equals to 22. I print it on the screen. Okay, I can do another thing. I can store this result in different variable. So I come here, I say integer, for example, result, and then I don't assign any values. I come here, I say result equals to a plus b, and then I print this result. This is more clear. So I come here, and then I can say result equals to, or a plus b equals to, and then I'm doing concatenation again, and then I'm using this variable. So that's why I put my plus operator, and then I print result. So okay, let's run it. Let's run it. You see, first we need to compile it. You see a plus b equals to 22. I got the same result. Okay. So in programming, instead of printing directly, we often store the result in a variable, like I did here. I define result variable, and then I assign, and then I use this variable. Now we will look at other operators too. So let's do it. For example, minus. Result equals to a minus b, and then my string should be change a plus b equals to result. I compile and I run it. You see a minus b equals to 8. Super. So we can use this logic for multiplication and division. For example, let's do multiplication operation. Result equals to a times b, and then I come here, I say a times b equals to this result. Okay, let's run it. You see a plus b equals to 105. Super. So let's do it. Let's do division operation. I come here, I say a divided by b. And then my string also should change. I change it, so I save it and I run it. You see A divided B equals to 2. Is it correct? Yes. Normally it's 2.1 plus 1, something like that. It continues, but result is integer, so we are rounding to nearest integer before it. What's my nearest integer? Is 2. So I got 2 as a result. Okay. As I told you, we can print it directly, or we could store the result in a variable and print that variable instead. It all depends on how you prefer to write your code. Super. See you in the next lesson.